Fatty liver, a term increasingly finding its way into medical discussions, refers to a condition where an abnormal amount of fat accumulates in the liver cells. This seemingly innocent buildup can, however, lead to serious health complications. Fatty liver is often divided into two categories: alcoholic fatty liver disease and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. While alcoholic fatty liver disease is linked to excessive alcohol consumption, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is primarily associated with lifestyle factors, such as obesity and poor diet. As a silent condition, fatty liver may progress unnoticed, making understanding its nuances and early detection crucial for maintaining optimal liver health. Want to know if you are developing fatty liver disease? Here are 5 symptoms you should look out for. 1. Fatigue. Feeling tired all the time? It might be more than just a hectic schedule. Fatigue, often underestimated and attributed to daily stressors, can serve as a poignant early warning sign of fatty liver disease. The intricate connection between the liver and our overall well-being reveals a compelling story. The liver, a metabolic powerhouse, plays a central role in processing and converting nutrients, regulating blood sugar levels, and detoxifying the body. In the case of fatty liver disease, however, this vital organ faces a formidable challenge. As fat infiltrates liver cells, disrupting their normal functions, the organ's efficiency diminishes. The impaired liver struggles to process toxins, metabolize nutrients, and regulate glucose effectively. Consequently, a constant feeling of exhaustion sets in. The body, deprived of the liver's optimal performance, experiences a drain on energy reserves. This fatigue is not merely a consequence of physical exertion, but a poignant signal that the liver is under duress. Therefore, recognizing persistent fatigue as an early warning sign prompts a crucial question. Is your liver trying to tell you something about its health, urging you to delve deeper into the factors contributing to this overwhelming exhaustion? Understanding this connection empowers individuals to take proactive steps toward liver health, recognizing fatigue as a potential precursor to more significant liver-related issues. Two, unexplained weight changes. Have you ever noticed that your weight suddenly goes up or down and it doesn't match changes in what you eat or how much you move? Well, it might not just be your body acting a bit strange. It could be a signal that something's up with your liver. Let's talk about why this happens in simpler terms. Think of your liver like a superhero in your body that helps with important tasks, like managing your energy. But when fatty liver disease comes into play, it's like the superhero faces a bit of trouble. The liver, which usually does a fancy dance of processes to keep things in balance, starts to struggle because fat is getting in the way. This dance gets all mixed up, and one of the effects can be changes in your weight that don't seem to make sense. For some people, it might lead to losing weight unexpectedly because the liver can't use energy as well as it should. On the other hand, some might gain weight due to the liver having a tough time handling nutrients, causing things like fluid retention and swelling. So, when your weight starts playing a bit of a guessing game, it's like your body trying to tell you that something's not quite right. Understanding this connection helps us see how important the liver is for keeping everything in balance. If you notice your weight acting a bit off, it's like a friendly nudge to look into what's happening with your liver. Taking care of your liver isn't just about weight. It's about keeping your whole body in good shape. 3. Abdominal discomfort. Have you ever felt an ache or discomfort in the upper right side of your belly? Well, that feeling could be more than just a passing annoyance. It might be a sign that your liver needs attention. This kind of pain is quite common when your liver gets bigger, and it can be anything from a mild, ongoing ache to a sharper, more noticeable pain. Don't brush it off. Your body might be trying to tell you something important. Think of your liver like the engine in your car, making everything run smoothly. Now, imagine that engine facing some issues because of extra fat. As this fat builds up, your liver grows, and that's when you start feeling that discomfort. It's like your body's alarm system saying, "Hey, we've got a situation here, pay attention." Sometimes, this discomfort might be subtle, like a gentle reminder. Other times, it could be a bit stronger, like a louder alarm. It's essential not to ignore these signals. A dull ache might mean your liver is getting bigger, and catching it early is key. If the pain is sharper, it could be a sign that things have progressed a bit more, and that's when talking to a doctor becomes even more important. Remember, your body is telling you a story, and this discomfort is just one chapter. Ignoring it is like missing a part of the plot. So, the next time you feel that ache or pain, consider it your body's way of saying, let's pay attention and take care of our liver. Understanding these feelings is like decoding a message from your body, guiding you on a journey to keep your liver and overall health in check. 4. Changes in urine and stool color. Have you ever noticed that your pee is darker than usual or that your poop seems lighter in color? Well, these changes might be more than just random shifts. They could be little messages from your liver, trying to tell you something important. Let's break it down in simpler terms. Imagine your liver as a superhero in charge of cleaning up your body. One of its jobs is dealing with something called bilirubin, which is like a leftover from old blood cells. Normally, the liver handles this perfectly, but when there's trouble, it can start showing up in the colors of your pee and poop. So, when your liver is doing its superhero duties well, your pee looks a bit yellow, but not too dark. Your poop is a normal brown color because everything is flowing smoothly. But if there's a hiccup in the liver's routine, like with fatty liver disease, bilirubin might not get processed properly. This can lead to changes in your bathroom habits. If your pee starts looking darker than usual, it's like a little red flag. The liver might not be processing bilirubin as it should, and that's something to pay attention to. On the other hand, if your poop turns pale, it's another signal that the liver's usual routine might be a bit off track. So when you notice these changes in the bathroom, it's not just a random thing. Your liver might be saying, hey, something needs checking here. Understanding these signs is like learning a secret language your body uses to communicate with you. It's a friendly reminder to keep an eye on your liver health and make sure your superhero is working at its best. 5. Jaundice. Have you ever noticed your skin or eyes turning a bit yellow? It's not like turning into a lemon, but it's something your body might be trying to share with you. This yellowing, called jaundice, is like a spotlight pointing at your liver, suggesting that it needs some attention. Let's understand this in simpler terms. Picture your liver as a superhero who's in charge of keeping your body clean and healthy. One of its jobs is dealing with something called bilirubin, which is like a leftover from old blood cells. Normally, the liver is great at processing this bilirubin and keeping things balanced. But when there's an issue, like with fatty liver disease, bilirubin can pile up because the liver can't handle it properly. Now, when bilirubin hangs around longer than it should, it starts to paint your skin and eyes with a yellowish hue. That's jaundice. It's like your body's way of saying, hey, there's a hiccup in the liver department. So, if you ever notice a bit of yellow showing up, especially in your eyes and skin, it's a sign your liver might need a little extra care. Understanding this yellow hint is like learning a secret code your body uses to tell you that your superhero liver needs a checkup. Taking notice and talking to a doctor can be your way of helping your liver stay in tip-top shape, keeping you feeling your best. In a nutshell, if you notice tiredness that just won't go away, changes in your weight without a clear reason, discomfort in the belly, darkened pee, pale poop, or a yellowish tint in your skin or eyes, it might be your body sending signals about your liver. These are like early whispers saying, hey, let's pay attention to our liver health. Understanding these signs is like having a secret code from your body, telling you it's time to check in with a doctor and give your liver a little extra care. So, listen to these whispers and take steps to keep your liver happy and your body feeling good.